Good afternoon, it's Mr. Logue here. Another maths lesson for you. Before we start, some of you might be having a few questions about bar models, and maybe the bar models are the thing you're finding tricky at the moment. I was once in the same boat, because when I did maths at school we didn't really ever do bar modelling, and then I found this really good website, themathplayground.com. We can assume it's American, as it's calling it math instead of maths, but let's forgive it that, because it's got some great activities. If you search for thinking blocks, I'll put the URL in the description, thinking blocks, you'll find that there are different activities to work on based on thinking blocks. The type of questions we're doing at the moment are ratio based ones. Let's click on there. Once it loads up, we should be able to choose an activity. Alright, so let's go on there.
Let's get started.
We will get started. Let's have a look at one of the missing quantity ones. So this will help us build the bar model. The ratio of rock tunes to hip hop tunes on Lauren's MP3 player is 3 to 2. If Lauren has 22 hip hop tunes, how many rock tunes does she have? So the first step we need to do is the labels. So we can see over here we have the possibilities for the labels. So I've got the rock tunes in there, and I've got the hip hop tunes in there. And if we reread the question, it says the ratio of rock tunes to hip hop tunes is 3 to 2. So for every 3 rock tunes Lauren has, she has 2 hip hop tunes. Let's put in those 3 rock tunes. 1, 2, 3. And then we need 2 hip hop tunes. 1, 2. And if we're happy that that's a ratio of 3 to 2, we can click on there. Now it brings up the next part, so we need to decide which of these boxes these 2 pieces of information go in. So where do we know 22? Well, it tells us that there are 22 hip hop tunes. So let's put that in the box below the hip hop tunes. And then up here we put the question mark, because we don't know how many rock tunes she has at the moment. If we're happy with that, we click on the tick. Now it's asking us to put in the answer for the amount of rock tunes. Well, if we have 22 hip hop tunes shared between these 2 parts, 22 divided by 2 is hopefully 11, which means that rock tunes, there are, we cancel that out, rock tunes, there are 3 lots of 11, because each one of these is worth 11. So 3 times 11, good old 3 times table, 3 times 11, hopefully the answer is 33. Perfect. Okay, so have a look at that. I'll put the description, put the URL in the description, and I'll be back in a short while with another maths lesson where we are using bar models. Bye for now.